saattaa helposti mennä tätä.
Vähän semmoinen, että se laitetaan vähän tähän.
Good morning. In the first part of this series I was making the fireplace here, and today I will start making the oven. So it's pretty much traditional oven what we usually have in all the old houses, like our house there, and we use it for baking, and the name is baking oven. I have a little bit of twist how it works with this thing. It's not completely same as the traditional one, but it can be used to make pizza, really good for pizza oven, bread, or you can put the meat in there, whatever you want to do with the oven. So it's like multi-purpose, and it's quite small, so I hope it's going to warm faster than the normal ovens, but you have to warm up for hours and hours. So let's start doing it. I can show you a little bit. If you didn't follow the last episode, maybe you should check that one. But the idea is that here I have the fireplace, and the heat is coming obviously from there, and then it comes up here. The sun is shining so nicely. It comes up there, and it will come to the oven and going in the middle of the oven up to the chimney. But there's some problems I have to solve with the chimney, but let's think about that later. But yeah, in the inner part of the fireplace and the oven I have these big fire bricks, fireproof bricks. These are awesome. So they help keeping the heat in them, and it doesn't break this outer shell so easily. So I call this inner one, it's the heart of the fireplace, or the heart of the oven in this case. And with these normal tiles or bricks, it's going to be the shell of the fireplace or the oven. And inside in the heart I will use the fireproof mortar, so it's more flexible and can take the heat, and when it's like heating and getting cold, back and forth, so it doesn't crack so easily. And in the outer I use the outdoor created mortar. I don't know if it's a good idea, but this is outdoor kitchen, so it's the what we call it's M100/600 mortar. But yeah, let's put some fireproof mortar in here and we can start to make the bed of the oven. Alrighty, then I'm out of the fire bricks, or the fireproof bricks, I don't know the right name. I have to order 20 of them more, and then I can finish this one. Now I can really count them, because now I know how I'm going to make it. Before I didn't really know how I will make it. So I need more fire tiles, but meanwhile this can dry, so it's a nice thing, and then I will continue. But I have a lot of other work to do here, so don't be afraid. I'm not going to just sit around. It's going to be forward all the time. But I need to get some money to buy the fire bricks, and let's see you after that. Alrighty, I got this heart of the oven ready, and I was making a little bit the shelf also, and I had to insulate between them, and I made this arc because I was reading that the oven, when it's round the roof, it works usually better and it looks nicer. So I adjust a piece of veneer what I had inside here. I wonder how I get it out. Maybe with a screw. So this was pretty simple stuff to do. And I have to take these out now and then clean it from the outside and fix some of the seams. But I would do now pretty fast the top, because I will put some concrete there and it will support the chimney. The chimney will be not so high because this will go maybe in this height. So it's like 2-meter chimney, so it can be in the top of the fireplace, I guess. But I will put the concrete there, so why not? I'm pretty sure it's going to be okay. So I will clean this inside the oven now, and then I have to figure out how this part goes, how the final flow to the chimney. And I think I have to do some hatch here, just to have a peek inside if something is wrong here. But then yeah, it's pretty soon that the oven is looking great. Alrighty, let's check what I did yesterday. So I have the shell, it's pretty much done from the oven. I have to put some concrete on the top to support the chimney. Let's talk about that later. But I want to see this. So I'm sorry I didn't film it. I had to move really fast all the time. It's a little bit difficult work for me because I have never done anything like this before. So I decided in the last moment that I will make this arc from the red, I believe, handmade bricks what I have here in the property. They look like this. They are like solid bricks, no holes, and I think they look awesome. And the idea here is that I have everything square in this build. It's you know, everything is square and grey. So now I can have a little bit color here, and also round shape, and also it's like a modern slim look all the time. And now I have some rustic here, so I think it's the eye catcher of the oven and the whole build here. It's a little bit same color I have in the floor, maybe in the door also, what I will make later. And yeah, what do you think? So I still have a gaps between here. I will fill them soon. I don't know why, how. I have one idea, I have to test that out. But before I do that, it's not something I have to hurry with. I will want to get the concrete on top drying, because that's keeping me away from building the chimney. And so I made this upper layer mostly with half tile, because I want to get the concrete supporting from the side of the fireplace, not the heart, because the heart is not the thing what you want to build a chimney over it. So I have to get this hole going on a little bit backwards, like 5 centimeters, and being the size of the one brick, and that's the size of the chimney hole. And I have to figure out how I can do it. I have to make some kind of mold, maybe. So there it is. I bought this door second-handed I don't know, maybe half a year ago, or was it like in the winter time. It was fully rusted, in a terrible shape. I fixed it, now it looks like a new, but it's old one. You can find these hatches, new ones, like 200 euros or something. But this is really old, and I paid about 20 euros. And I think it looks much cooler, especially when everybody knows this Högfors brand. It used to be the first one making those doors. So the oven is quite ready. I have to still make the chimney, of course. Some more small fixes here and there, but it's basically there. And now I just want to wait that the concrete what I put over here, it's going to dry. Then it will support all the chimney. It will be like 500 kilos or something. So I have to wait a couple of more days. Then it has been drying more than a week, and it should be okay. It will get like, it needs like 2 months or something to get the full strength. But I think after 1 week and maybe 2 weeks, and then it will have the enough strength to support the chimney. I think it came pretty nice. And yeah, next episode I will do something else. I will fix some small stuff and start building a little bit furniture inside here. See you next time. Bye.